Good morning, my dear students. Today I will explain the new chapter 5.2 Islam. 5.2 Islam. So, after the last class, I explained the Christianity. Now, I will start the new chapter Islam. Islam religion is one of the important religion of the world. So, total the strength this land was inhabited by the Arabs, where we saw the Islam Muslims means we saw Muslims in Arab. The land was desert. It was in Mecca and Medina. They are the two Mecca and Medina in the Arab country, which are the two important places to identify the Islam means Mecca and Medina, where the two important cities in Arab. As rainfall was a center, so rainfall is very less and cultivated was not impossible. So majority of the 80% of the Arabs were nomad. They go to one place to another place for searching for the food. So and then they provided the milk. They tended camels. They provided them milk, camel milk and meat. They cultivated what they cultivated in desert area means dates, apricots, pomegranates, lemons, orange, and bananas. Bananas. These are the very important food of the Arab areas. And next, Muhammad Mecca. Mecca, it was a very important temple. It is in Mecca, sorry, Kaaba. It is in Mecca. Kaaba is a temple of the Arabs. Where it is Kaaba means it is in Mecca. Next, who was the founder of Islam means Muhammad. Muhammad, he was the founder of Islam. Next, in that which is the holy book of the Arab means one must question Quran. Quran is the holy book of the Arabs. Is next life and prophet of Muhammad. Prophet Muhammad, he was born in 570 CE at Mecca. Prophet Muhammad, he was born in 599 CE at Mecca. His father name is Abdullah, mother name is Amina. Two must question name the parents of Prophet Muhammad means Abdullah. He was the father of Prophet Muhammad. Amina mother name. Next, when he was a small child, he lost his parents Abdullah and Amina. So he was brought up his uncle Abu Talib. Who was Abu Talib means he was the uncle of Prophet Muhammad. So when he lost his parents Abdullah and Amina, both they are died when he was child. So in that time, Prophet Muhammad, he was brought up his uncle Abu Talib. Due to the poverty, he could not receive the many formal education, but he was trying to look after the sheep and camels. So, Badatanadinda, he will not get any education, but he was trying to look after the sheep and the camels. Muhammad was known to many for the he was very honest and sincerity. Who was means Prophet Muhammad. As a youth, he was spent most of the time is traveling. So almost time he was spent in traveling. So co-merchants, he was a merchant. Who was means Prophet Muhammad, he was a merchant. So he was very honest and sincerity. Hence the co-merchant is called Amin. Who was Amin means Prophet Muhammad, he was a Amin. Because of he was very honest and sincerity, in that his friends were called to Amin. Amin means one who is reliable. One who is reliable. Next, at the age of 25, he entered to service the very rich woman Khadija. At the age of 25, Prophet Muhammad, he was married to Khadija. His wife name is Khadija. Later he was married Khadija. So Khadija, he was elder, 15 years elder to him. 15 ವರ್ಷ ದೊಡ್ಡೋಳಾಗಿದ್ಲು ಅವಳು ಯಾರಿಗೆ, ಪ್ರೊಫೆಟ್ ಮಹಮ್ಮದ್ಗೆ. Then he had 2 sons and 2 daughters. Daughter name is Fatima. Name the daughter of Prophet Muhammad means Fatima. Of both 2 sons and 1 daughter, both they had died. Only Fatima was live. She was given in marriage Ali. Fatima's husband name is Ali. Next, he led to normal married life up to the age of 40. So he was led to the normal life at the age of 40. 40 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಕಾಲ ಆತ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಲೈಫ್ನ ಲೀಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. And he was spent his time to meditation and fasting. After the 40 years, he was spent his time to doing the meditation and then fasting. Meanwhile, he was sincerely thought about the social and religious evils of Arab. He used to spend several days. I told that majority of the time after the 40 years, majority of the time he was spent his meditation and fasting. So he was used to spend several days and nights meditation in the solitary hill cave at Hira, where he was doing the meditation. Means he was doing the meditation hill cave at Hira. Hira ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಥಳದಲ್ಲಿ he was spent his most time for the meditation purpose. Next, Gabriel, when he was doing the meditation, Gabriel, a messenger of God, preached. What he was preached means holy capsules to pilgrim. When he was in trace, these capsules were later recovered by the disciples and Quran. What the capsules, what the God he was preached to Prophet Muhammad when he was doing the meditation. So and that principles he was doing the record by the discipline of Quran. He was maintained in a Quran. Hence Quran is the holy book of the Christianity. After, he was also released that he was the chosen one and had a great mission of the fulfill. And he was made majority of the discipline. His wife, son-in-law, daughter, his friends Abu Bakr, and his servant Sayyid Muhammad. He was declared, there is no God but Allah, and prophet is prophet. ದೇವರು ಅನ್ನೋ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಗಾಡ್, ದೇವರು ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ಹೀ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಹಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್. ವಾಟ್ ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಏನನ್ನು ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ದ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ a new faith to the people at Mecca, but he was criticized meaningless ceremonies. He was criticized the meaningless ceremonies like ideal worship. What are the meaningless ceremonies? Means to worship ideal worship, polytheism and superstition among the Arabs. So almost he was criticized. Ideal worship, polytheism, these are who was criticized means Prophet Muhammad. And then he was preached. ಆತ ಏನನ್ನ ಪ್ರೀಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ ಅಂದರೆ he was preached by purity of life. Prophet Muhammad, he was preached a purity of life, truth and faith in Allah. Truth and faith in Allah. He said Allah is omnipotent and kind to all ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೀಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. His followers called him prophet. Muhammad declared he was a prophet chosen by Allah to several his messenger mankind. Allah, he said, as all merchants as wise and all powerful, who was a teach means he was teach to Allah. Next to one must, what is that? The Hijra era. When it was started, 622 CE, Prophet Muhammad strongly condemned a ideal worship. So, Prophet Muhammad, what he was condemned means he was condemned the ideal worship. People of this tribe were changed to Kaaba, containing how many ideal worship they are worshipping? 363 idols. 363 ದೇವರುಗಳನ್ನ ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, and they lived on the income derived from idol worship. So they turned against Muhammad, abused him, and even tried to up the death. Idol worships hated by, they said Muhammad was unnecessarily certain religions unrest among Arabs. So what is that the Hijra means? One must question, what is that the Hijra means? His birthplace Mecca in 2000 follows in the year 622 CE. When it was started, Hijra means 622 CE, and took refuge in Medina. The secret journey, what is that? The Hijra means the secret journey of Prophet Muhammad from Mecca to Medina. ಗುಪ್ತವಾದ ಒಂದು ಸಂಚಾರ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ? ಮೆಕ್ಕಾ ಟು ಮದೀನಾ. Prophet Muhammad, he was started to the secret journey to Mecca to Medina. Now it is called Hijra era. ಅದನ್ನು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತಾ ಇದ್ರು? ಹಿಜ್ರಾ ಎರಾ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತಾ ಇದ್ರು. Next, Prophet Muhammad, he was along with his discipline, he welcomed the people. Thousands of them became a powerful and respected the ideas of Prophet Muhammad. Prophet Muhammad, he was died in 632 CE. When he was died, Prophet Muhammad was died in 632 CE. After the death of Muhammad, the religion leadership was held by the Galbais. He was Arab spiritual and a military unity. Thank you, my dear students.